Our land, a piece of rock cast in our sea. The sea, our mother. The sea is the first thing we see at dawn. The first sound in our ears, the first thing we taste after our mother's milk. The sea, inexhaustible, vast, full of surprises, always offers her children something new. Especially to those who strive every day within her arms, the fishermen. The knowledge, the experience, the art, the wisdom are passed down from father to son, along with the need to survive. And the remains accompany the fishermen in their rest, satisfy their hunger. Wealth in the pot, kakavia, the blending of all these flavors. The definition of simplicity and taste. The apocalypse of secrets. How else? This was the first whisper of my homeland, my island, Patmos. And then the fragrance slipped from the window, escaped home, knocked the neighbors' doors, and made its way to the port. It embarked on the boat with me, accompanied me to Kos, where I made my first steps in cooking. After all, what is my homeland? A bunch of tiny spots on the map. You are what you eat, and food is your medicine, as our forefather Hippocrates used to say. Pure, natural ingredients and the simplicity, so differently repeated. With respect, love, and imagination, we seize it gently from the hand to head it to the future. I am Katerina, and I present to you my island, Patmos, the southern Aegean, and my dish, the memories and my personal trademark to the road of flavors, the apocalypse of the Aegean Sea.